Hi, so I want to show you how to fix your rear wiper blade. Um, this is how my old one looked, so it became completely broken. The problem with this is you can't usually find them. They're around 14 inches wide, so they're smaller than the usual wiper blade, and now you have a couple of options. For one, they're super expensive compared to the normal one, even though they're smaller. So you have these ones where you cannot replace the wiper blade. Normally, the big ones they have this clip here, and you can replace them from the arm. Usually on the arm here, they have like a metal clip, and you can just plug this one. Of course, this one is a big one. I'm just showing it for example. Now, what you can do, you just buy a normal big one. I found this one on sale, so it was cheap, like €1. They only need to be the same style as the old one. I mean, they need to have this style with this metal. You don't need to remove the arm. I just removed it because it's easier to film. How you remove it? It's you just push this. It just has a clip here, and it has a 10 millimeter bolt here. You undo it, and you see it has these splines here, so you need to wiggle it a bit. It's not gonna, especially if it's old, you might be able to put some WD-40 on it to loosen it a bit. So they usually sell this whole arm, which is quite expensive. It's around like €10 or more, and you can just replace this. So the way you do it, you buy one of these, a normal one. You need a piece of pliers to remove a bit in one side. They have, you see, this indent here in one side where these things fit in, so you cannot just pull them out. You can also cut them here because you're gonna anyway be left with this part. I already installed it, but I'm gonna just show you the way you remove this one. You need to, on one of the sides, okay, so you see, now it's gonna depend a bit on the style. Mine it has this ends here, it's on a fiat punto, so you just push it from here and then you can just pull it out from completely. I'm just gonna push it back, so you see. Okay, now once you remove the old one, this one for example, you need to recover these metal bits. They're these stainless steel things, because if you try to cut these ones to size, they're extremely hard to cut, so it's not worth the effort. Just recover the old ones. You just pull them out from here, it's very easy. And just then you take the new one, you cut it to the same size as the old one, like this, and just pop the old metal wires. So this one just pop in here. It's no, like this, nothing special. Okay, and then you just put it in here and you have a brand new wiper blade for like, I paid like €1 for this one instead of like €10 for the whole arm, which is perfectly fine. Perfectly functioning and no reason to change all this. Okay, hope it helps you. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more.